Hi, Craig here, WJ6F. We don't always have a computer available, so in this video I'm going to show you how to program a repeater and a simplex frequency into the Yaesu FTM-400XDR right after this. Welcome to or back to the channel. Now if this is your first time here, please subscribe and don't forget to click on the bell so you'll be notified each time I upload a video. Okay, now the first thing you want to do is obviously power on. And then you're going to select where you want your repeater or simplex frequency, either in the A band or the B band. This radio does not have a shared memory, so if you want to access it from either or, you're going to have to put it in both. First thing you want to do, switch over to VFO and enter the frequency you want. It's easiest just to do this from the mic. Once you have the frequency in, you can see that the radio automatically assigns the proper shift. If you need to change that, push and hold the display button until the menu comes up. Go to Configure. Go to memory item number 5 and just push the top right button until you get to the one you want. If you need to change your repeater shift frequency, you can do that at menu item number 6. And it goes between 0 to 99.95 megahertz. Once you're done with that, back out. And we're going to go to signaling to enter our tone squelch frequency. It's item number 1. Push the button and you can choose which one you want from there. In this case, we need 103.5. Back out. Now you're going to need tone. Easiest way to get that, just quickly press the function memory right button and it'll bring up this little list. Go down here to where it says squelch. Just push that until you get the one you want. In this case, we got the transmit tone. To get rid of that, push it again. And let's see if we've got this properly set up. All right, we do. Now we can save this to a memory. To save it, press and hold the function memory right button. And you can choose wherever you would like it. Now if you want to put a memory tag in there, press and hold on the right till it shows up with the menu, with the keyboard, and go ahead and input the tag you wish to have. You can switch back and forth from numbers to letters and caps. Once you have what you need, press the enter button on the bottom right, and then quickly press the function memory right button to store it. Okay, now to store a simplex frequency, again, you're going to go over to your VFO, put whatever channel you want, and we're going to need to turn off that tone on transmit. So again, press the function button, and then scroll through where it says squelch until it turns gray. Hit it to get out of there. And then again, press and hold the function memory right button. Now if you want to copy over any of the memory rights, just put it over the one you want. Press and hold to add your tag. Press enter when done. And then quickly hit the function memory right. It's going to ask if you for sure want to do the overwrite. Hit OK. And you're all set. That's all there is to it. I really appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. If you have any comments, questions, or concerns, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Thanks again for watching.